I see Boosie still going in on Kodak, which, you know, that's how he feel, man. He ain't wrong. That's how he feel. Like, you gotta understand. Kodak, he right. Wack 100, they right. And Boosie, he right. You cannot knock Boosie for feeling like how he feel when he a real street nigga. Boosie is the type of guy that mix street business with regular business, rap business. He that same nigga, man. You can say the T.I. shit, but he feel different on that. But T.I. did work with the feds, so Kodak can, you know, hit him with that. But nah, Boosie, he feel like he represent for the streets, man. He represent for them niggas that ain't got no voice. He feel like he the voice of the streets when it come to real street niggas. Niggas in that Angola, niggas in the pen, all over. So he feel like he the last one left. He feel like he the only one that's gonna speak up. He gonna go against the grain. He feel like that. So you can't knock no nigga for that, man. He disappointed. He disappointed. He ain't hating. I ain't gonna call it hate. See, hating is when he lying. He telling lies on Yak and shit like that, or he been taking little jabs at Yak. Nah, he just disappointed. It could have been any nigga he felt like a street nigga. He would have said it. So no, I don't think Boosie hating. He just disappointed. He gonna speak his mind. He speak his mind on every goddamn thing. And yeah, like, but Kodak Black, he can come back with some heavy blows. All Kodak gotta do is say, nigga, you need the $1 million. You need the feature, nigga. Then you go to jail for a week or a couple of days and say you double R, sold all your cars, put your jury up and all this shit there. Like, it seems like you the one who broke. It seems like it ain't no reward being a real nigga. You know what I'm saying? He can hit him with that. Then he can say, hey, nigga, he can go lower. Like, ain't your daughter saying you a fuck nigga? Ain't your daughter, ain't everybody stealing from you? Niggas ain't respecting you. You saying you this real street nigga, but everybody fucking over you. Nigga, your partner stealing from you, your artist stealing from you, your mama talking shit to you, she taking your brother's side. Nigga, you sick. Niggas in dollars and slid on you. We ain't heard nothing about that. Mr. Hitman, we ain't heard nothing about that. Yak can talk heavy. Niggas telling on you, ratting on you. You ain't said nothing about that. So you got your daughter talking shit about you. Niggas stealing from you. You selling all your cars. Damn, like, come on, Mr. Real Man. Mr. Voice of the Streets, Heart of the Streets. You the heart of the streets now. You keep throwing BG and all that shit there. Hey, damn, man. It seems like nigga need to throw you a bone, man. Like, damn, man. I need to pay you for a feature, nigga. Damn, dog. Like, you want 6ix9ine to reach out to you, don't you? So you can turn it down so you can shine on them. Yeah. Because it seems like your pockets hurt every time you go to jail. You say everything you work hard for. I thought you up them M's. Ain't no way you up 20, 30, 40 M's. Ain't no way, nigga. You got street nigga money, man. You got street nigga money, man. You work too hard for your money, man. I get the phone call. That shit come to me. I ain't go searching for it. This shit come to me, man. You got to go city to city. You'll never hear Yak saying, nigga, I'm in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm in Greenville, South Carolina. Where y'all at, man? Tap in. Nigga, I'm in Greensboro. Tap in. Nigga, I'm in Baton Rouge. Tap in. I'm shooting videos. I'm doing interviews, whatever, man. Promo, whatever. Yeah, nigga, you ain't getting no money, man. You getting street nigga money, man. You still hand to hand, man. You still serving verses in sandwich bags, man. You selling verses in sandwich bag, man. Hand to hand, man. And you'll pull up. And you'll pull up, man. That's how you got your Fed charge, man. Cause you selling verses in sandwich bag, man. Your shit watered down, man. Your shit watered down, man. Nigga ain't never try to give you no million. Not no real nigga. A real nigga ain't gonna give you no 100,000. A real nigga ain't gonna give you no 100,000. Lucky if you get that to perform at a big tour or something. Maybe 1 time, 2 times, little baby got you something. That was it. So he can talk heavy now. He can go low. I don't know why Yak ain't said nothing. He probably gonna put it on the song or something, or do an interview or something. But Yak can go low, talk heavy, make you get mad. Like, nigga, you swear you just stump down, nigga, but everybody fucking you over, man. Don't nobody respect you, man. Your kids, your mama taking your brother's side. Yeah, nigga. It's been a long time since we heard the body drop, man. I know you don't want to go there because, nigga, you already know how them Z's going. And them Z's ain't upset, nigga. I done broke them off. Man, I done broke them off, nigga. They came with me, nigga. They ain't come in the video, but they came with me, man. You talking about how Florida feel. They was with me, nigga. I came 4 or 5 cars deep, man. They was with me, nigga. You ain't know? This big Yak, man. Nigga, we on money moves, man. We ain't bullshit, man. Like, man, ain't my fault nigga don't want to do no song with you, man. Nigga, real niggas don't even want to pay you no money, man. Real niggas don't even want to buy your album, man. Your real fans, they ain't even buying your album, man. See, the thing that Boosie don't understand, he's speaking to a generation that don't give a fuck about what he's saying. All the niggas that he talking to in jail are dead. And then the ones on the streets, they ain't got no voice. They ain't got no voice. The rappers that agree with you, they ain't gonna say nothing. They ain't gonna say nothing. They hit the like button. They hit the like button. They come in your DM. They come in your DM, but nah. They ain't gonna say nothing, man. They ain't gonna say nothing, man. So they behind the closet, goddamn gangsters, man. Everybody don't feel how you feel like that. Behind closed doors, they feel you. In the public, they don't. You talking about I wish niggas step up. Why you always need somebody to step up? You just step up. You be the big homie. Like you need niggas to step up for Young Blue. Why y'all want to speak up? If Dolph was alive, he'd speak against Empire. No, he wouldn't. No, he wouldn't. Why would he speak up for you on that when you told Vlad that he was crazy for not taking the 20 million or the 22 million? You remember that Vlad TV interview you did? He ain't gonna take up for you. Why would a nigga fuck up his bag for you? Nigga ain't make no crazy money with you. Nigga ain't fuck with you like that. Come on, man. Yeah, man, like I said, man, like both of y'all making strong points. But Yak, he can come heavy. He can really piss you off, man. When he come back, when he fire back, that's how you fire back, Yak. But Boosie do got a point. But it just depends. Like, some niggas ain't mixing their street business with no regular business. That's fucking up the bag. Nigga got their own mind. It's a new generation. One thing about the old street law niggas that they not understanding, the rules can be changed and be effective. All they gotta do, the new niggas, is apply the new rules and kill about that, step about that, go to war about that. That's all they gotta do. The 70 babies, the 80 babies, the 90 babies, the early 90s, they ain't really trying to go to war like that about this shit. So all they gotta do is take y'all niggas to war. Lay law down and go to war. Like how the old niggas did. That's it. That's it, man. That shit it's gonna stick. All the real OG niggas, man, they don't stream the music, they don't buy the music, they don't come to the concerts. They just be online talking shit. They make a video, pop shit, but they don't support the artist. So if you're an artist, who you doing it for? You got your family, you got your, like, how would your kid feel? Like, Daddy, you turned down $1 million? They may not understand, but your girl be like, damn, you turned down all that money for these niggas? You go to jail, Boosie ain't gonna put no money on your books. Boosie ain't gonna come see you. Boosie ain't gonna make sure we straight. These real niggas ain't gonna make sure we straight. They got too many problems on his own. How you gonna fuck with you? All these real niggas that got something to say, they don't put no money in your pocket. They not paying you $50,000 a verse or $100,000 a verse. They want free shit. It's the fans that's changing your life. It's the fans that's coming to the tour. It's the fans that's streaming shit. So what you gonna do it for? Who you really gonna please? Cause we made you rich. Hey Yak, we made you rich, not Boosie. Yeah, you do come from that. So it don't matter. Nigga gonna fuck with you regardless, whether you on that Boosie shit or you on that new shit. But we made you. We the reason why you got that million. We the reason why 6ix9ine rich. His people, the new generation. I'm just saying how they feel, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, like, you gonna do it for the niggas who pay your bills? Or you gonna do it for the niggas that, about that old shit, that old school shit? All they gonna do is say you real. You a real one. That's all they do. You a real one. When it's time to do business, they ain't gonna give you no big bag. They ain't gonna make sure you straight. When he wanted to do that concert, he ain't try to give you the bigger half. He didn't do that. And then also Yak can say, hey Boosie, you been on my dick, man. You been on Yak dick, man. You try to sign me for that little peanut, that little peasant ass money, man. 15,000, 10,000. Nigga, I just jumped on your rocket, man. Ain't do shit. Cause it's you. Cause it's you. Ain't do shit. I just looked out for you. I could have overcharged you. Nigga, but I can't even tell you I charge 250 or 100,000 cause real niggas don't pay that. Real niggas want free shit. So that's why you get that free shit resorts. This shit ain't do nothing for you. Nigga, so you been one, you want to do concerts with me, you want me on your songs, you wanted to sign me. So you been on Yak dick, then you been jacking my style. Yeah, man. And I could fuck your hoe. I bet you 6ix9ine can fuck your hoe, and 6ix9ine doing more for your community than you is. He doing more for your people than you is, man. He giving back every fucking week, hundreds of thousands every week, man. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah, man, you just talking that real shit, but you ain't really doing nothing, man. Yeah, you taking shit back, man. You taking cars back when you get mad, nigga. You taking cars back. Learn how to finesse the system. Learn how to finesse the child support system. Yeah. You take shit back, nigga. You an Indian giver, man. You an Indian giver, man. Yak can go real low, Boosie. I don't know now. Nigga, tell your daughter, nigga, call me. Call me. I got a Benz for you. Call me. Off this 6ix9ine money. Call me. Ooh, Boosie. Boy, if Yak do that, boy, you gonna wanna go. You gonna wanna kill that nigga, man. And you fighting the Fed charge. Ooh, Yak, you can go low. You can tell his daughter, call me. I'm gonna give you some of this 6ix9ine money, man. Yeah, he go 80. He go 80. Go buy you a Benz. What do you say? 80. He go 80. He go 70. He go 60. So get you a scat pack or something, man. Same shit Tootie got. And put that shit in the garage. Go put this shit in the garage. Tell your dad you got a scat pack, man. Put this shit in the garage, man. Move them lame ass jet skis, man. Ooh, y'all can reach out to 6ix9ine. Ooh, 6ix9ine double team y'all ass, man. On the interview. Ooh, whack 100. Ooh, you can set that up. Whack 100, you can set that up. 6ix9ine, Kodak Black. 6ix9ine team up with Yak going at Boosie. 6ix9ine can tell Boosie, since you got so much to say, and Yak can back him up, nigga, we get in contact with your daughter, nigga, I'll give her 40,000. I'll give her 40,000. Tell her to throw 20 in your face, nigga. Fuck them jet skis. Move that shit out. I got the scat pack, wide body. Fuck it, get the Hellcat, nigga. Tell Tootie, man, move your lame ass out the way. Move your lame ass out the way, man. Write it off on the taxes. Write it off on the taxes. Yeah, get her old Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? 2019. Not, they ain't really old, but you know, older year. 2019, pay about 75. Pay about 75. You can just put about 50 grand on it. Payments be low. Tell her get a job, Chick-fil-A, $500 a month on the cat. 2 weeks worth of paycheck, she'll pay that. Fuck it. Instagram, she can make money on Instagram. She can pay that, $500, $400 a month. Put about 50,000. Ooh. Tell Tootie, hey, move that shit out the way, man. Yeah, move them jet skis out the way. Throw this shit at your daddy, man. 10,000. You need the money. You need the money. Tell your daddy, I'll pay you child support. I'll pay you child. You can go low now, Yak. How you wanna do it now? They could be too low though. They could be too low, Yak. They could start some shit, Yak. They could start some shit, Yak. Yeah. Cause you already know his daughter will be down with the shit. She'll be down. She wouldn't give a fuck about none of that shit he talking about. She'll be down. Ooh. So, hey man. Cause you keep going at Yak, so Yak can fire back. I'm just giving nigga. But like I said, Boosie, I'm speaking for both sides. Boosie ain't wrong. He can go heavy. He can go heavy, but this gonna put Boosie in a situation because you're already fighting the Fed charge. So how heavy can you talk? Them niggas are gonna go low. They ain't said no violence. They can go low. So man, hey, you gotta be, hey, bro, shit crazy out here, man. But you know how, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hit that like button, man. I ain't trying to get too many niggas' ideas and then if around really see it, then niggas blame me or whatever. Or get mad at me. I ain't that bad, but hey, man, shit get wicked out here, man. Shit get crazy, man. You can't tell a nigga how to fight a war. You started shit and you keep going in. But Boosie can go in. You know what I'm saying? He's still Boosie and he's still right. As far as like, if he think like that, he a real street nigga and that's how he come mix the street shit with his goddamn rap business. And that's how he coming, man. G'd up and soldier down, man. You understand? So, it is what it is, man. Hey, you already know, man. _game_spitter, man. That's the IG. Fuck with me, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Hit the like button, man. Hit the dislike, man. You can mix it up, man. You know, we'll snort all that up. We'll snort all that up. Mix the dislike with the like button. We'll snort that up on the plate, nigga. Chop it up, nigga. Yeah, man. Leave a comment. Share the video, man. If I'm wrong, y'all cuss me out in them comments, man. You know you gotta talk to me heavy in the comments so I can see it. Go.